Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can add a new vehicle on QuickBooks Self-Employed. To add a new vehicle, we need to go to Miles section, and from here we need to click on this drop-down list and select Manage Vehicles. Here we can add a vehicle. Now we need to select the type of vehicle, so if it's car, motorcycle or bicycle, in my case it is car. Add vehicle make and model. Vehicle year, and also select an ownership status. So if you own this vehicle, select this section and then you can add an information when this vehicle has been bought and when it's been placed in service. But if you have leased this vehicle, you need to add information for leased vehicle information. So in my case, I own this vehicle. I bought this vehicle on, say, end of last year and placed in service just select randomly. Okay, and I can also select this vehicle as being primary vehicle. Now for tax information, I need to add how I want to record mileage for 2022. I can select by recording odometer readings, so as of 6th of April what is starting odometer reading, and at the end of tax year what it would be. In my case, I will select by entering the total miles. In that case, I will add total miles driven in 2022 when it will be end of my tax year. Okay, and click Save. So now I have second vehicle added here. So in this episode, I showed you how you can add a new vehicle on QuickBooks Self-Employed. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickBooks Self-Employed tutorial as well as review of this accounting software.